just a little tidbit on your discussion questions. In order to receive full credit, the full 60 points for your discussion question, you have to respond to at least 2 other students in the class. You want to do that so that you can get your full credit. Plus, when you do your discussion post, your initial discussion post, remember that also counts you present in class for attendance for the week. So don't forget those 2 little tidbits. Now, moving into week 3, we're going to talk about time management and some study skills this week. So you're going to do, you'll look at your lesson 3 on time management and study habits, and then you're going to access your reading assignments, which are located in reading assignment links in the weeks. It's kind of difficult to find those reading links on your phone. It's a little easier on the computer to find those links. In those reading links, you'll see that they'll say to do all these activities. You do not have to do the activities. You just need to read through them, okay? And that helps you learn about how to do certain skills and how to do certain things for time management, okay? And then moving into your assignments for week 3, you have 2 assignments this week. Assignment 3.1, you're going to actually go to the online library and do research on time management. You can access the online library here on the left-hand side of your computer in Canvas. It says online library. Just click on that and go into the library. You click continue, and voila, you're actually inside the online library. Right here, you're going to type in time management, and you can see that there are a lot of topics coming up on time management. You can research in any one of those areas and find an article or a book to read. I'm sure an article would probably be better about time management, and then you're going to write a 1-page paper on what you learned from that article and how does time management work in your own life, okay? The paper does have to be 1 page long. And then if you quote from that paper, you need to list that source that you use or the name of that article at the bottom of your paper, okay? And you want to put the title of the article, the author of the article, and the date that it was written, okay? And then after you do the paper, you have an assignment where you're going to create a time management plan. Now, what is a time management plan? Well, it's a schedule. It's a calendar of events. So you're going to plan out your schedule with work and school and your personal life. You're going to organize your life a little bit. And you can make a fancy schedule. You can write a paragraph about how you're going to do this. You can put it in list form, or you can submit a calendar. There's plenty of templates that you can use to submit this. You can make it fun and creative and colorful, whatever you want to do. But I want to see your schedule and how you think through and manage your time, how you're going to spend your time studying and working and taking care of your kids or your dog or whatever it is you're going to do. So have fun with that assignment. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to contact me. Oh, one more little tidbit for assignment 3.1. That assignment is a different type of assignment. It's called Unichecks assignment because it checks for plagiarisms. It makes sure that you're not copying directly from a text. So sometimes you may have trouble uploading assignments. If you have trouble uploading a Word document to Unichecks or to the assignment, convert your assignment from a Word document to a PDF and then try to upload it, and it'll work better, okay? Again, if you have any questions, do not hesitate to contact me, call me, text me, whatever it is. I'm here for you, okay? All right, guys, have a great week. And again, you guys are doing a great job. Talk to you soon.